Hey guys, what's up? So super excited today. I've been back in Long Beach for a while for the quarantine thing, and there's been a lot of new places that opened up, and I've been to a couple of good places. And one of the places that was recommended to me by my good friend from high school, Aaron, he said I'd go to, what was this, Jaybirds at the LBX or LB Exchange inside the hangar. So this one's for you, Aaron. So I got their Mac Daddy combo. Pretty much what it is the regular chicken sandwich, and they add mac and cheese into it. And the combo comes with two sides. I chose mac and cheese and French fries. Oof. And let me show it to you guys. So we got the Jaybirds. And so you got their fries, their mac and cheese, and their sandwich. Of course. Holy snap. Look at that. So we're going for our bite. Oh my gosh. Honestly guys, look at this. I know it's not like really presentable, but here. Let me fix this for a little bit. This is what it is. So their chicken sandwich with mac and cheese on top. This is what I'm telling you guys. I'm gonna be really chubby after quarantine's over. Crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and the cheese and the mac and cheese, oh my gosh. It's just a perfect combination. I mean, I'm trying not to spill, but ooh. Look at that. You know what, Aaron? This is a good spot. Ooh. Thanks, bud. Even the fries are good, man. It's crunchy. Oh. I only took 2 bites and a couple of fries, and I feel like I'm going to a food coma already. Well, if you guys couldn't tell by now, my favorite food's fried chicken, so thank you, Jaybirds, thank you, Aaron, and I'll see you guys next time. I mean, guys, look at their mac and cheese. Oof. This is some good mac and cheese.